Greetings, students. Welcome back to my class. Students, I hope that you all are well and fine at your houses, and I hope the same for your family members. Students, I want to give you an advice before we start our today's class related to our grammar topic. And the advice to all of you is that you should stay at home and you should stay safe. Take care of your family members and yourselves also. Students, this was also the advice. One more advice. Please don't waste time. You have ample time to study. You all are in 10th class. You all know the value of board exams. You all know its importance. You all know its worth. So I want you all to make one timetable and give equal time to each and every subject. If you think I am good at one subject, please don't ignore the other subjects, and don't ignore that subject which you are good at or which you feel that you are weak at it. If you think that I am weak in this subject, so you should give some extra time to that subject. But please make timetable and don't do this mistake that I will do this subject later because I am good at it. Don't leave any subject behind. You have ample time. You have been staying at home for the last 4 months, not coming to school. We don't know when you will come to school. We hope that you will soon come to school, but we are not certain that when you will come. So you make one proper timetable, study according to that. You all know the value of your board exams. If you are not sincere and serious towards your study now also, then I am sorry to say that your board exams and board results is going to suffer. Definitely your board result is going to suffer, because when your result will come, your marks will come, you will think that I had ample time, I did not study. So don't waste your time, students. You are at home, study all the subjects. You think you are weak in some subject, work hard on that. You think you are good at it, more hard work you should do in that subject, and you will prosper in your results. So please listen to my advice and follow it. Now coming back to the topic, students, we have started the grammar topic, determiners. In the previous class, I told you about that what are determiners, and I told you the definition with some examples, which is, you can see written on the board that determiners. Before I go ahead with the topic, I just want a quick revision of that topic, what we did in the last class. So in the last class, students, I told you that determiners, they come before the nouns and clarify them. They are the words जो noun के पहले आते हैं और उनको निर्धारित करते हैं, उनको क्लैरिफाई करते हैं, उनका रोल हमें बताते हैं कि what role they are playing, और उनको निर्धारित कर देते हैं. And I gave you few examples also. Like this is some different example. My house is better than yours. मेरा घर, my house is better than yours. तुम्हारे घर से बेहतर है. मेरा घर, यहाँ this is determiner here. This book is mine. ये किताब मेरी है, तुम्हारी नहीं है. ये किताब मेरी है, तुम्हारी नहीं है. This, so book is noun here, house is noun here, right? So before, determiners come before the noun. So my is coming before the noun, this is coming before the book. He is an MLA. MLA is a noun and N is article determiner. I have told you, so this is determiner. He is the boy I met yesterday. Boy is noun and this is determiner. Here they are fixing. मेरा घर, यह किताब, एक MLA, he is the boy, ये वही लड़का है, I met yesterday, यही वो लड़का जिससे मैं कल मिला था. So these are the words, they come before the nouns and clarify them, modify them, tell us more about them, like what are they doing. Here मेरा घर, this book, he is an MLA, he is the boy I met met yesterday. So they are called determiners. I hope you have understood that, and we have done types of determiners also, students. Students, the first type I told you that was article determiners, right? Article determiners I told you. Then I told you possessive determiner. Then I told you demonstrative determiner. Demonstrative. Article, student, this is a quick revision, so I would tell you that you all know a and the, and I have told you that a and n come in the category of indefinite article determiners, and the come in the category of definite article determiners. So they are article determiners, and I have told you the uses with examples also. आपको समझ में आ गया होगा, मैंने आपको एग्जाम्पल भी बताए थे और इनके बारे में भी बताया था. पोजेसिव क्या शो करते हैं? दे शो यू द ओनरशिप, मालिकाना हक. किसी चीज किसको बिलोंग करती है, किसकी है, पोजेशन शो करते हैं, किसका हक है उसके ऊपर. लाइक फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल विच आई जस्ट which I have written on the board, which I wrote on the board, that was that ownership belong, my house, मेरा घर है. ये हक दिखा रहा है, उसके ऊपर हक किसका है? मेरा हक है, किसी और का घर नहीं है, मेरा घर है. Demonstrative, they demonstrate something. The words क्या थे? This, that, these, those. So they are demonstrative determiners. They come before the noun and they demonstrate, physically demonstrate करते हैं. I gave you the example also that this marker is mine, or this marker writes well. So I am holding, and this, why I am using this? Because it is singular noun and it is one, and it is close to me, near to me. And if this had been far away from me, I would have said that marker. अगर ये दूर होता तो मैं क्या बोलता? that. मैंने बताया था कि this हम यूज करते हैं जो चीज हमारे पास है, सिंगुलर, एंड that हम यूज करते हैं जो दूर है और सिंगुलर नाउन के लिए, एक वचन के लिए. एंड these, if I had two markers, then I would say these markers write well, अच्छा लिखते हैं. They are black and white in color. और ये मेरे पास में है तो मैं I will use these, and when I will use those, when they are far, those markers write well. Those boys, those houses, when they are far we can see, but they are far and they are more than one, so they are called demonstrative determiner. Like we can use this marker writes well. Marker is noun, this is article, determiner. Which type of determiner? Demonstrative determiner. So we have done these three types of determiner in the previous class, and I hope now we have revised also, so you people have no doubts in these three determiners, types of determiners. What are determiners? And these three types of determiners I have told you that a and n and the is definite article determiner, a and n is indefinite article determiner. Possessive, मालिकाना हक जो दिखाते हैं, this thing belongs to whom? This is my marker, ना मेरा मार्कर है ये. My house, my pen, my book, his, her, their house, their pen, no, their car. Demonstrative, this, that, these, those. This marker writes well. Demonstrate कर रहे हैं, ये marker हम physically demonstrate करते हैं किसी चीज को. So these three types we discussed in the previous video, and so students, now continue with the next type of determiner. I have told you 5 types of determiner. There is another type of determiner which is called distributive determiner. We will start with that. Distributive, distributive determiners. What is or what are distributive determiners? Let me tell you, students, distributive determiners, they just used we use them in the distributive determiners used to talk about something is shared or divided. हम जब किसी चीज को शेयर करना चाहते हैं, यह है, और ये यूज होगा सिंगुलर नाउन के साथ. लेट मी फर्स्ट टेल यू डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव determiners. Let's see what are they. Distributive, this is the fourth type we are doing, students. So distributive determiners, as I have prepared some notes for you also. So they are used to talk about, you know, how anything or something is shared or divided. So distributive determiners are used to talk about how something is divided और distributed, कैसे शेयर की जाती है और डिवाइड की जाती है लोगों के बीच में. And we have to take care of one thing, that plural noun के साथ all boys, no, each, इनके words क्या है, each, every, either and neither. So these words come in the category of distributive determiners. ये शब्द ही आएंगे distributive determiners में. All, you know, all cannot come. Every boy, everyone, each, everybody, either, neither. They are used with singular nouns. They are used with singular noun. सिंगुलर नाउन के साथ ही इनका यूज किया जाता है डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव डिटरमाइनर्स का. ये बताते हैं हमें कि कोई चीज कैसे डिवाइड हुई, कैसे शेयर की गई, और ईच, एवरी, आइदर, नाइदर, एंड दे आर यूज्ड विद सिंगुलर नाउन. ये हमें याद रखना है कि सिंगुलर नाउन के साथ यूज किए जाते हैं. अब इनके कुछ उदाहरण एग्जाम्पल्स, लेट्स सी सम एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ देम. सो फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, the first example, student, I will make you more clear. First, each child was given a pen, book, chocolate, notebook, anything, bag. Each child, हर एक बच्चा, there may be more than 10 childs, maybe 20 childs, 20 से ज़्यादा भी बच्चे हो सकते हैं. लेकिन when you are using distributive, हर एक बच्चे को पेन दिया गया. All boys या all children got a pen. So all means this will not come in the category of distributive. Each boy, हर एक बच्चे को पेन मिला था. Each child was given a pen. Now let's do the second example. I remember every detail. I remember every detail of our conversation or meeting, you can say. हमारी जो मीटिंग हुई उसमें एक एक डिटेल मुझे याद है, एक एक बात याद है. I remember each and every detail. You can write, or you can write I remember every detail of our meeting. Now students, can you make one example from either from your side? I am sure you can make either and neither. No, yeah, na. But singular noun होना चाहिए. Noun can be countable and uncountable. Like countable nouns, child you can count, detail. Can you count details? You think and tell me, and I will give you one example of in uncountable. Neither information was correct. Maybe you have got many information, but neither information was correct. उनमें से कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन करेक्ट नहीं थी. इंफॉर्मेशन मतलब सूचना. क्या बोलते हैं कि 4 सूचना मिली, 4 इंस्ट्रक्शंस हो सकते हैं, 4 डिटेल्स हो सकती है. इंफॉर्मेशन. तो नाइदर इंफॉर्मेशन वॉज करेक्ट. इंफॉर्मेशन नाउन है यहाँ पर स्टूडेंट. डिटेल यहाँ पे नाउन है. हमने एवरी इसके पहले है. ईच चाइल्ड, चाइल्ड यहाँ पे नाउन है. तो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव डिटरमाइनर्स यहाँ पे पेन दिए गए सभी को पहले एग्जाम्पल में, और ईच चाइल्ड हर एक बच्चे को, प्रत्येक बच्चा को पेन मिला. दे आर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव डिटरमाइनर्स. डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव DD you can say DD डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव डिटरमाइनर्स. तो ये बताते हैं कि कैसे कोई चीज शेयर की गई. टेल अस हाउ समथिंग इज शेयर्ड और डिवाइडेड. Neither information was correct. Some information was shared, but now we are saying that neither information was correct. Each of the child you can write neither of the information was correct. दा लगा देंगे तो हम दा आर्टिकल में चला जाएगा. neither particular information, तो neither information was correct. So this was distributive determiners. Now let's do the next type of determiners. I hope distributive determiners is clear to you all. So let's do next determiner. Our next determiner is number 5. We will do numeral determiner. Numeral determiners. Numeral determiners, students, they tell us about the number. Numeral determiners, they tell us about the number of noun. 1, 2, 3, 10, 100, 1000, lakhs, crore. They tell us about numeral determiners, and they will be used with countable nouns, right? Some milk. Milk is uncountable noun. 2 bottle of milk. 2 bottle of milk. Bottle is noun and 2 is numeral determiners. So what do they tell us? They tell us, obviously they will also come before the noun and clarify the noun, but what do they tell us? They tell us about the numbers. संख्या बताते हैं हमें. नंबर्स, क्वांटिटी नहीं, मात्रा हो गई वो तो. नंबर्स, अमाउंट. नंबर्स काउंटिंग बताते हैं हमें, मतलब नंबर्स कितने हैं, कितनी नंबर्स में है वो नाउन. 10 नाउन्स, 5 नाउन्स, 5 बुक्स, 5 पेन्स, 500 पेन्स, 500 स्टूडेंट्स. टेल अस अबाउट द नंबर्स ऑफ नाउन. क्लैरिफाई तो करेंगे ही, वो क्लैरिफाई तो करेंगे. अब हमने बोला गिव मी बॉटल्स. वी हैव, suppose you go to a shopkeeper and you just say give me pen. He will ask you. If you will clearly say give me a pen or give me 1 pen, so it is clear to him. But if you will say give me pen, he will ask how many pens do you want. Then you will say I want 3 pens. तो 3 नंबर बता रहे हो, कितने पेन चाहिए आपको? 3. यहाँ पे नंबर्स बता रहे हैं आप, ठीक है. तो and these determiners, numeral determiners, they are further divided into 2 parts. ये 2 parts में divide हो जाते हैं आगे. I have told you in previous classes also, students. The first is cardinal and ordinal. We'll discuss both. First we discuss cardinals. Cardinal examples, cardinal determiners, cardinal numeral determiners क्या होंगे? Like 1, 2, 100, 1000, lakhs, etc. crores or not 20, 30, 40, 35, 200, 500, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore, etc. So एग्जाम्पल्स, ये हमें नंबर बताएंगे कि मैं 4 लोगों से मिला, आई मेट 4 पीपल, पीपल आर नाउन, आई एट 4 मैंगोस, मैंगोस आर नाउन, 4 कितने आम खाए, 4 नंबर बता रहे हैं, संख्या 4 आम खाए, लाइक आई एट 4, वी कैन राइट लाइक दिस, बट वी विल राइट लाइक दिस 4 मैंगोस, I ate 4 mangoes. Mangoes is noun. 4 is telling how many numbers. ये numeral determiners हैं. It comes in the category of cardinal determiners. I ate 4 mangoes. 4 आम खाए. One more example we will see. Another example, like our school has 2000 children, or we can write in place of children we should write, yes, क्या लिखना चाहिए हमें, students. Our school has 2000 students. These students, there are 2 types of determiner in this sentence. Can you guess? I'm sure you can guess, because the current we are doing numeral, which is students are here noun and 2000 is numeral determiner. What type of determiner is this? R. School is also noun. School is also noun. Noun है, इसके पहले R आ रहा है. What type of determiner is this? Yes, I know, many students know, and they are saying that possessive determiner, because हमारा school, किसी और का school नहीं, तुम्हारा नहीं, हमारा school. When you are talking about your school, then you are saying our school has 2000 students. हमारे school में 2000 बच्चे हैं. यहाँ पे numeral determiner है. This is possessive determiner. Good, those who know, very good, and I am sure cardinal determiner is clear. Now we will do numeral determiner. Numeral. Oh, sorry, cardinal we have done, ordinal determiners. Now we will do second. Numeral we are already doing. The first, it is divided in 2 categories. The first category is that they are divided in 2 categories. First is cardinal, now second is ordinal determiners. Ordinal numbers जो होते हैं हमारे, what they tell us? They tell us about the order or sequence of nouns. They tell us about order or sequence of noun. ऑर्डर में, किस ऑर्डर में है, किस सीक्वेंस में रखे हैं. Like through example we will see. Arun, example we will see ordinal examples. Let's do some examples of ordinal. Order show करते हैं, like first, second, third, है ना, first, second, third, like this, last, you know, last sequence, last performance is mine. When example we can say the first performance is mine. अब यहाँ पे बहुत सारे बच्चे लोग, सर mine is possessive determiner. No, mine is not coming before any noun. No, right? The first, the is article. First is ordinal. Performance is mine. मेरी पहली performance मेरी है. Performance is noun. Noun के पहले आ रहा first. This is ordinal number. Ordinal first. The comes in the first performance. उसने पहले बोल दिया. अब you can say like this, first performance is mine. And now your trying to particularize that performance, so you are saying the first performance, or you can simply say first performance is mine. हम ये भी बोल सकते हैं कि पहली परफॉर्मेंस मेरी है. First performance is mine, second is Amit of Amit, third is like this, and when you say the last performance, the last, सबसे आखिरी की performance, the last performance is her, is of her. Now some other example. When we say the Amit is sitting on the third bench, Amit is standing or sitting, we can say, चलो खड़ा है, standing on the third bench. हम क्लास में और मैं क्लास में मैंने देखा कि अमित has got punishment from the previous teacher or someone. No, I have just taken this name randomly, so Amit, please don't mind it, right? So Amit is standing on the third bench. Amit तीसरी बेंच पे खड़ा हुआ है. फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड बेंच सीक्वेंस में होंगी, एक ऑर्डर में होंगी. Amit is standing on the third bench. I have entered in the room and I saw, oh, Amit is standing on the third bench, or on the last bench, or on the first bench, or on the second bench. So ordinal numeral determiners, they just tell you about order or sequence. Another example, you do it yourself, student. This was the numeral determiners. Now one type of determiners is left. I hope that you people have no doubt in numeral determiners. Still, if you have some doubt, you can ask me in the comment box, or you can WhatsApp me, right? Now students, one determiner, which type of determiner which is left, that is quantifier determiners. Quantifier determiners is very important determiners because it tells about quantity or amount. They tell us about the large quantity and small quantity also, like many, much. They tell us about large quantity. बड़ी मात्रा होती है जब, तो many, there are many students. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट हैं तो मैंने यूज करेंगे. मच, आई हैव मच नॉलेज, बहुत नॉलेज है मेरे पास. आई हैव मच मनी, यू नो. एंड व्हेन वी वांट टू टॉक अबाउट द स्मॉल क्वांटिटी, स्मॉल क्वांटिटी हम कैसे एक्सप्रेस करते हैं? जब हम सपोज आप नेबर के पास जाते हैं, यू गो टू योर नेबर एंड यू से प्लीज गिव मी सम शुगर. आपको थोड़ी सी ही शुगर चाहिए, उसका 2 किलो शुगर तो वो देगा नहीं आपको, आपका नेबर. आप बोलोगे 2 किलो चीनी दे दो, क्यों देगा भाई? You will say na that I am out of sugar and guests are at my house, please give me some sugar. So you will carry a bowl, small bowl, और उसमें वो थोड़ी सी चीनी दे देगा. You cannot count that sugar, right? Sugar is uncountable noun. Some we use for little bit, positive sense में use करते हैं, but we use it for small quantity. Student, this we will discuss in detail in the next video, I think, and this is enough for today. We have done another determiners which is distributive, and 2 types of determiners we have done in this class, and the revision of the first 3 which we did in the previous class. So total 5 determiners we have done: article determiners, demonstrative, possessive, distributive, and numeral. The one important determiner which is left, that is quantifier determiners, and that is very important determiner. I will discuss in the next class, and I will also tell you about the difference in uses of little, a little, few, a few, and you know, some, any. We will discuss it in next class in detail. What I want you to do, that you go through all the determiners, types of determiners which we have done, and practice them. You know, try to solve them. Some fill-ups you will find in your grammar books, previous year grammar books, or in this year grammar book you will find. So that's it for today. Thank you very much.